Hey you guys. Okay, so today we're gonna do a tutorial on retwisting locks. Now I'm not professional at the lock twisting because I just started. Like literally this is my third time doing it, but I think I did well. So let's just get started. So this is the before, of course, and I'm just showing y'all how it looks. Fully washed. It's just washed. I used apple cider vinegar with the mother, and then I use some Mayel shampoo. So what I'm doing right now to lock the hair is using this product that is bomb. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not gonna hack her name. I'll leave everything down below. So that is what I did so far, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I retwist it using the comb method. There's different methods. They have what is it, the twisting with your hand, and I think the comb method, and I don't know what other method, but this is the comb method, right? Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna just do the comb method and twist it up, twist it up, twist it up. I'm actually like excited that I was able to do this. Like I couldn't wait to do it. Like I love just learning new techniques because I hate saying I can't do a style. So this was one of the styles that I shut down, and I'm like lost mad clients because I freaking wouldn't just try. So I tried it, and look at me now. Come on, bring on the lock babies. Okay, so yeah, now I'm just twisting and twisting, you know, twisting and twisting. So twisting and twisting. So with the comb method, I'm like still learning. So some parts of the video, the comb might get stuck or whatever, but that's because I gotta get the technique down like really well. I don't have it down that well because I just literally learned this method like in a day. So I'm just like trying to get the method right. So I'm just gonna do that. That lock hold, that stuff is fire. Like shout outs to her. Everything will be down below. Clip it up. And for the newbies like me, make sure you have enough clips because I had to go out and get some more clips. But that's how one side look. Look how I look. I'm so hype, y'all. I don't care. Always hype yourself up. All right, so now that part, the front of her hair is like some of the locks fell off, right? I mean, the front of his hair. Oopsies, sorry. The locks fell off, so I had to also learn how to do this. Like lock in his hair on my own. Like I didn't know how to do it, so I just learned. So I figured, the same method you do with the long locks, you could do with those, because that's not a lock yet. Like I can literally comb that out. So that's like starter. And see, I gotta get the method right. Boom, boom. See, I'm gonna get this method right. Watch, y'all gonna see me. I'm gonna be twisting and tossing and everything mad fast. But see, that's how I'm doing it. So when I'm taking it on and off, that's me like getting better grip on it and locking the loose hairs. As you can see, he is having a like 7 dreams by now. He would sleep throughout the whole the whole entire thing, me doing his hair. Don't mind my dog. That's my dog in the background. He sleeps too. And don't mind like my background in general, because just a little disclaimer, I'm getting one of my rooms fixed and other stuff gotta go in the room that I'm in. So it look a little messy, so don't mind it. So I think this is another one. Oh no, this is a long lock, but I'm just giving you a close up of how I do it. Now, if it's any, the lock technicians or whatever, the lock guards that been doing this since I don't know how long, tell me if I'm doing it right. What could I do better? Because I'm always open to learning and understanding ways of doing hair. So if I'm doing something that's, I can, of course I got to do better because this is literally my first, like, third time doing it. But, yeah, just help me out if you can. But I think I'm doing a spectacular job, honestly. I felt like I was just doing it for years. And I don't know why. I was always scared. But I got this thing where if I'm scared, just do it. Because then you'll never know if you like it or love it or hate it. And this, I'm glad I took the leap. Because I love it. I think anything that involves hair, I'm going to love. Whether it's locking, weaving, braiding. Coloring is a little annoying, but I'm still up for the challenge because, like I said, I hate saying I can't do it. And this is the finished product. How did I do? Yo, I did good. What are you talking about? Look at that. Boom, bye, bye, Al. And that is the look. I styled it. I twist them. That's the twist look. Boom, baby. Yes. I'm still amazed at my own work. I love looking at my work. And love how better it get. You know what? And he told me that he got mad compliments. And everybody was like, ooh, I love your hair. I was like, okay. Stupid hype. Look at that. He wanted 2 braids. He called it the horns. And I was like, nah, I got a style I want to do. He was like, all right. Say hi to my baby. My dog in the background. He just wanted to be near me. So I was like, whatever. You just got to be there then. But that's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. That's the close-up of the parting and the locking.